guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey. Okay, for real though. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Evie. Today we're going to be doing a makeup look for Thanksgiving, but today's theme is smoky eye, slash lazy, but still looking beautiful. That's what we're going to do today. We did a super simple smoky eye with 4 eyeshadows and, incredibly easy, simple, fast, and that's all we did. So if you guys want to look put together on Thanksgiving but don't want to try that hard, then watch this video to the end. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention I got a new haircut. I realized that I'm definitely just not the person made for long hair, and if I am, it will definitely be due to extensions, but naturally my hair I'm a short hair person. So you guys will be seeing me rock this new haircut for a while, and you might even see a different color other than brown. Who knows? But let's get started. So I have a fresh face. I put on my skincare, so now we are ready to prime it with Mario Badescu. I kind of like the routine I have, so I don't really need to change it at all. Next, we're probably just going to start with the eyes. In case there's any fallout or any cleanup that we want to do, we can do so without ruining the rest of our face. So I'm going to take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and just put it all over my eye. We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I actually really like this palette. I haven't used it much since I've gotten the James Charles one, but I still think there are a fantastic amount of colors in here. I plan on doing a lot of videos that kind of involve a lot of pops of color, and so that maybe I can show you guys how to wear them every day, because I know people don't want to wear them every day or feel like they can't, but you can, because I do. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in with this color right here. We're going to put that all over our eyelid, and we're just going to buff that in to create that smoky eye effect. Like I said, this look will be extremely easy because, let's be real, on Thanksgiving, we just want to eat and chill. We really want to build up that brown, so that way we can get it as smoky as we can. I don't think it has to be perfect, so don't worry, because we're going to blend it out with more colors anyway. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Going in with our next color, it is going to be this beautiful burnt orange color. I really like this color, and I put it on the other day with a different look, and I was just like, this would look so beautiful as like a smoky fall eye. So we're pretty much just using this as our transition color, but we went from bottom to top this time because I feel like most of the time usually you learn transition color, then add all the rest, and then blend, blend, blend. This time we're packing down the base color, or the base eyeshadow, then we're going to blend the colors upward, and that should make it a lot easier and a lot faster. What we're going to do next is take a yellow and kind of blend it up even more. So obviously it doesn't look super well blended, but that's because we can go back in with the brown and blend it out. All right, guys, so we just added the orange into our crease. Now we're going to go ahead and add the tannish yellow on top. In the Jaclyn Hill palette will be this color. It's like a mustard. It's definitely exactly like a mustard color. So that's what we'll be taking. We're going to take that and kind of help buff the orange out a little bit. And that will be our final color in our eye makeup look today. Now feel free at all to go back in with the orange or the brown and definitely, make them pop however you want. those were all the colors that we're going to use so far until we do the rest of our face. Then we'll go ahead and do the bottom eyelash area. Sage, you can say hi. Oops. Hi everyone, this is Sage, our rescue, who I love because she's so sweet. Do you want to say hi? She just loves cuddles. Oh, you love cuddles, don't you? And I love her cuddles. But not right now. Not right now. Not right now, cuddle kitty. Not right now. We're going to go back in with that brown shade here. Here. Boop, boop, boop. And we are going to smoke out our underline, under lash, lower lash line. There it is. We're going to do the same thing we did on bottom as on top. Next, we're going to take the orange. I like to try and connect them together, if you guys can see. Just in this area and bring it back under. This look is so cute. We're going to take that mustard yellow and finally use that to kind of just all together smoke out that bottom. Make it look beautiful. Let's see, for inner corner, I actually might want to add a burgundy, so that could be our fourth color. I'm going to be taking this color. It's like a burgundy brick red. I'm actually going to connect it in my inner corner so that the eyes all connect all around, but it still keeps that smoky, grungy kind of look. So does that sound like a lawnmower? I am not that true to my yard. When fall leaves start to fall in and snow has come and gone, I don't touch my yard. My neighbor feels differently. Okay, so I'm also just blending that red shade upward so it falls into line with everyone else. So that completes for our eyeshadows. I don't know if I want to do an eyeshadow eyeliner or a regular eyeliner. Let's do an eyeshadow eyeliner today. So within the Jaclyn Hill palette, you will find a black, obviously, right there. We're going to take that black and we are going to eyeline our eyes. I usually like to do this when I'm super lazy and don't want to use liquid eyeliner or a pencil and I have a black shadow in front of me. I just do this. It's not going to like super pop out or anything, but it still gives you that little bit of eyeliner definition. And you could drag it out like me to kind of make like a faux wing that's super soft. And sometimes using an eyeshadow as your eyeliner just, you create so much more beautiful wings. So that's what it will look like. Today I don't want to do fake lashes. I'm going to be taking the Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. This one is supposed to be like a dupe for Better Than Sex mascara, but I'm going to be using this today just because, like I said, it does give you a thickness or a fullness. I do like Better Than Sex. I also got that as a birthday gift. Today it doesn't look that bad, so maybe I would change my mind. For lip today, I had 3 options. Wasn't sure which one I was going for, but now that I look at it, I think birthday suit. I don't want the lip to overshadow anything. I don't like foundation on my lips. I think it cracks them even more and dries them out, so you will not find that foundation mouth on me. This reminds me of NYX's liquid lingerie line. Very smooth, almost buttery. That did not smell good. To complete this look by setting my Mario Badescu on my face. And this is the completed look for today. Let me take out my bow. So here is the look for Thanksgiving if you want a dark smoky eye. It only took 4 colors from the Jaclyn Hill palette. You can use any 4 colors from a palette you own, just something similar if you want the same look. Eyeshadow, eyeliner, so it's easier, less to deal with, and no lashes for today. But yeah, I feel like this is a super simple smoky eye look for Thanksgiving, and you don't have to worry about it much. So if you guys liked this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you like this smoky eye, try it yourself. See if it is a simple eye for you. Yeah. I think I really like it.